I'm working on a Lamborghini LP 550, and I'm going to show you how much dirt is collected on the steering wheel. Even though it's a low mileage, low use car, um, you still get a lot of dirt and buildup on steering wheels because it's what you touch every single time you get in the car. So I'm just going to show you how I clean it. There's many ways to clean an interior, but this is what seems to work for me for many years. So I've got my brush, and some interior cleaner, and I've got some new lint-free rags, and I spray it on the brush and just kind of work it around. I cover it evenly, give it time to kind of soak in and kind of soften the dirt up, and then the brush is going to scrub the rest off. It helps scrub inside all of the stitching, and this steering wheel has a lot of little holes. Make sure you get the back side where your fingers touch, and you'll be shocked just how much dirt comes off. And just take your time scrubbing, because sometimes that dirt is really bedded itself inside the leather, and it's going to take a little bit of time working it out. So just let it sit on there for a minute. I can see a little dirt coming out of all the textured holes. You might want to spray a little more on there every so often. Make sure you get the stitching real good. I'd recommend doing this. I mean, if you're going to try to preserve a car, I would try to do this every couple months if you're going to drive it a lot. And you'll see why when I show you how much dirt I pull off of this Lamborghini steering wheel. The dirt's what's going to corrode the leather. And so I've just done probably a third of the steering wheel. Make sure you get the stitching real good. You might want to go over it twice because of the holes. Sometimes the dirt goes back into the holes. Wow, it's a lot dirtier than I even thought it was going to be. So that's a low mileage weekend car. And you can kind of see as it's drying, that looks like nice, clean, fresh leather, and you can see the oils. So a lot of times you really don't notice how dirty it's getting until it's too late and deteriorates the leather. I'm going to show you that down here on the bottom. Make sure you get the very bottom. You got to get every angle. That's just the bottom section.